to our online viewers in the United States and from around the world. My name is Mariano Bula. And on the last video, I actually did tell you about an individual, by the name of Leon Helms, who has his own channel right here on YouTube. And I have to admit, and I know that when he actually saw my video on my Facebook page, that I did on YouTube, of course, he was like, he actually feels good about the praise, but he thinks that I was trying too much, that it's getting too much, and he wants me to turn it down But the bottom line is, what I'm trying to understand is that, that's just simply a compliment, because what this guy did in his videos are colorful, beautifully, and, and that's something that I really wouldn't know how to do it, but, his videos are very beautiful, and what I like about him is that he actually uses anime-inspired imagery, and he actually incorporated it into his style. And I know that that's exactly what it is, because, and the great thing that I can tell you about him is that, both him and I are huge anime fans, and, and I think that that's something that we got in common, and yeah, and of course, and most importantly, fashion forward. And that's exactly why I describe his work, and crazy, sexy, cool. And about the fact that I call him the Andy Warhol of anime, that's exactly what I really meant, because he actually because to me, he actually reminds me a lot of Andy Warhol, and of course, but at the same time, he actually reminds me a lot of Andy Warhol, because of the fact that he's too eccentric, and of course, at the same time, he used colorful imagery. That's just who he is. And, and I really hope that, that if he watched this, he doesn't feel annoyed about it, because I happen to be, his subscriber in his channel. So, and of course, I did, and again, and like I said, I did see, some of his videos, and, and of course I told him some comments, and yeah, and of course I thought they were crazy, sexy, cool. So if I will say to all of you that if you guys haven't watched his videos, be sure to watch it, because they're entertaining and they're cool to watch, and you can also hook him on DeviantArt, so you can follow him there too. So, what can I say? He has, his style is colorful. The elements of anime, that's him, that's exactly what I like about him, and, and I really hope that you guys will like his videos very much. I know I do, So yeah, and hopefully, and of course, and yeah, what can I say? I dig his videos. They're colorful. What can I say? The guy has talent. So, but like I said, if you guys can, if you haven't watched it, please. You can watch it if you want. Just watch his videos. They're awesome to watch. So, and yeah. So, but other than that, if you have anything that you like to say, so leave me a comment. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and DeviantArt, and we'll take it from there. And if Leon is watching this video right now, what I can say is that I'm really looking forward to have some more subscribers, and I know that you still have a lot of things to do at this point, but if you want to be a subscriber to my channel, you still do so. I'm really looking forward to see a lot of people on YouTube. So if he watches it, just be free to subscribe to my channel. I mean, even though it might be not your taste, but I appreciate it. You know, if you want to, just subscribe to me. I mean, I'm really looking forward to some more subscribers. So, but anyway, so thank you very much, and goodbye for now.